If you're serious about building a Turo business, the way you structure it will make or break how far you can scale. Too many people jump in with no LLC, no separation between personal and business, and they hit a wall before they even realize what's happening. My name is Trevor Calais. I'm the founder of Let's Go Hustle, where we've helped over 10,000 service members boost their benefits, turn their credit into capital, and their capital into cash flow with a done-for-you system that creates an additional 5 to 10K per month in extra income. I own over 40 vehicles personally, and I'm partnered and brokered with over 250 vehicles. And today I'm gonna show you why having a properly structured LLC before you start is so important, why vehicles in the business name give you more leverage, and why building both your personal and business profiles is the smartest way to scale a fleet. Here's what most people believe when they first start on Turo. All I need is one car in my personal name. I'll test the waters, then grow from there. And you know what? That works at first, but here's the problem. Every vehicle that you buy in your personal name stacks on your personal credit. Your debt to income ratio gets crushed. Banks stop lending because you look maxed out, even if those cars are actually making you money. So here's what happens. You stall out. You've got 2, maybe 3 cars, but you can't get approved for more. You end up being stuck. That is the most common ceiling most people hit. Not because Turo doesn't work, but because they didn't structure it right. But here's the new lens that I want you to see. Treat Turo like a business from the start, not a side hustle. That means you set up an LLC. You separate personal and business. You position yourself to leverage both credit profiles. Why? Because banks lend differently to businesses than they do individuals. Businesses can access more funding, higher limits, and better terms. And when you've got both profiles built, you've got double the firepower. Let me break down how this works. First, your personal credit is your foundation. It's the gateway. You need solid personal credit to unlock funding to even establish your business lines. Think of it like the launch pad. Without it, you cannot take off. Secondly, LLC structure. Once your LLC is set up, you separate liability, you build legitimacy, and you give banks something to actually want to lend to. You're not just a guy with a car, you're a business. Number 3, purchasing in the business name. When you buy vehicles under the LLC, they don't weigh down your personal profile. They give you tax advantages like write-offs, depreciation, and other expenses, and they help you build business credit, which compounds over time. 4, leveraging both profiles. Here's the magic. You don't abandon personal, you build both. Personal can get you approvals. Business can get you even more. You stack them together and now you've got multiple banks, multiple profiles, and way more access to funding and assets. And number 5, here's what happens when you don't set it up right. You max out your personal credit and the bank shuts you down. You don't have an LLC, so you miss out on business funding entirely. You leave tax advantages on the table, and then you end up stalling out at 3 to 5 cars while other people scale 20 to 30 with ease. And maybe the biggest mistake, people think they can fix it later. Wrong. Every bad move in the beginning stacks against you. It's way harder to unwind mistakes than it is to set it up right from the start. Listen to me, you have to make this shift. Stop thinking like a hustler, start thinking like a CEO. A hustler buys cars in their own name, hopes they get approved, and wonders why they can't grow. A CEO sets up the structure, leverages business funding, and scales without fear of hitting a ceiling. And when you think like a CEO, you're not just building a fleet, you're building an asset-based business with structure, legitimacy, and longevity. And here's the real kicker. When you've got both personal and business profiles working for you, you're untouchable. One can actually fuel the other. One opens up doors others can't. Together, they give you leverage most people never tap into. Yo, what's going on? It's Trevor Calais, CEO and founder of Let's Go Hustle. And I appreciate you for tuning into this video. But look, information without action is worthless. We have the blueprint. All you have to do is follow it. Right now is your time to execute. Text me the word YouTube to 239-329-0035 and I will personally reach back to you and we can see if we can get you qualified for any of our services. And if you're interested in anything that my business offers, don't wait. Take action now. So here's my question. How long are you gonna keep playing small? How long are you gonna rely on one personal credit and wonder why you've capped? Because if you're trying to build a real business with Turo, you need to treat it like one. That means systems and that means leverage. My light died on me. know what? We're gonna keep going though. I got the red light back here. We're gonna keep going, people. We're gonna keep going. Listen, you've already seen what happens if you don't. You stall out, you struggle, and you waste time. But if you do it right, you set up the LLC, build both profiles, and leverage them correctly, scaling becomes simple. You're not stuck at 3 cars. You're on your way to 30. That really is the difference. That's the difference between treating it like a hustle and treating it like a business. You need to be a CEO. Don't continue to be a hustler. We can all have hustler tendencies in us, but move like a CEO. So here's what I want you to do. If you're ready to build your Turo business the right way with a properly structured LLC, optimized credit, and access to both personal and business funding, shoot me a text. All you have to do is text me the word YouTube to 239-329-0035 and it'll come straight to my phone. After that, I'll respond back. We'll set up your foundation so you don't just hustle for a few cars, you actually scale a fleet and build real income, because the wrong structure will end up capping you, but the right structure will honestly set you free. So make sure you like, drop some comments below, and hit that subscribe button. Peace, much love, and blessings to everybody.